Hello student, in this video we are going to revise some important questions from the chapter locating places on earth. You have already learned about latitude, longitude, the equator, the prime meridian, hemisphere and how places are located on the globe. Now let's discuss some important questions that can help you prepare for your exam. Our first question is, what is the difference between a globe and a map in representing the earth? A globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth that shows continent, oceans, and country in their true shape and relative size. A map is a two-dimensional representation of Earth's surface drawn on paper. While globes are more accurate, maps are easier to carry and can show detailed information about a specific region. Next question is, describe the various types of maps. Maps are mainly of three types. Physical map that shows natural feature of earth such as mountains, rivers, plateaus and plains. Second is political map. They shows country, state, city and their boundaries. And third is thematic maps. They shows specific information or themes such as climate, rainfall, population or crops. Next question is, define latitudes. How does it help in locating places on earth? Latitude is an imaginary line drawn parallel to the equator. It tells us how far a place is north or south of the equator, measured in degree. Latitude helps us locate places on earth and also help us understand their climate. Places near the equator are generally hotter, while places near the poles are colder. For example, the equator is at 0° latitude and the North Pole is at 90° north latitude. Next question is, distinguish between parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. So student, we can present our answer in a table form. Parallel of latitudes, they are imaginary circles drawn parallel to the equator. And meridians of longitude, they are imaginary semicircle joining the North Pole and the South Pole. Second is latitudes, they run in a east-west direction. Longitudes runs in the north-south direction. Latitudes measure distance north or south of the equator and longitude measure distance east or west of the prime meridian. The equator, 0°, is the most important parallel of latitudes and the prime meridian is the most important meridian of longitudes. It denoted 0°. They help us understand the climate of places, and longitude help us determine the time of places. Explain how latitudes and longitudes work together as coordinates. Latitudes and longitude intersect each other to form a grid on the earth. The point where a particular latitude crosses a particular longitude gives the exact coordinates of a place and help us locate it on earth. What is standard time and why is it important? Standard time is the common time followed throughout a country or a particular region based on its standard meridian. It is important because it provides one common time for the whole country or region and avoid confusion caused by different local times. Next question is, why does India have only one standard time? India has only one standard time to maintain uniformity and avoid confusion caused by different local times in different part of the country. India follows Indian Standard Time, that is IST, which is based on the 82 degree 30 minute East Standard Meridian. Next question is, what is the international date line? The international date line is an imaginary line located approximately along 180-degree longitude. When a person crosses it, the date changes by one day. Remember, children, the international date line is mainly related to changing the date. When we cross it, the date moves forward or backward by one day, depending on the direction of travel. Next question is, what are the northern and the southern hemisphere? The equator 0-degree latitudes divides the earth into two equal halves called the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, the half of the earth lying north of the equator, and the southern hemisphere, the half of the earth lying south of the equator. So student, if you want a video on objective type question from this chapter, please comment below. I'll make one for you.